It's okay you speak English. But sometimes the ilong is dugo-dugo. Nag-bleeding my nose. So, bahala na kayo dyan. Maghalo-halo na lang na siya. Halo-halo ba? Yummy halo-halo in the Chowking. I mean ba, nalingaw na lang po siya. Amo di ay. Nalingaw na lang po while nag-break time na si Kuya Alan. Diba Kuya Alan? Thank you Kuya Alan ha. Kasama mo kami sa pag-break time mo. So, ayan. Kami ang napili mong puntahan at isabay sa iyong break time. I really appreciate it. Sakto na, gaw? Sakto nang giingon ako, gaw? Is that correct? Sir Leo, where are you now? Why you listen now? Ay, Pokemon. Kailaman ko gaw, parami na kay agaw. O, dito na siya nato nakilala. Kay Victoria Lumardel. Diba, Kuya Alan? Ay, gisipon ako. Nahudlot-hudlot ng sipon-sipon ba? Kaya nag-nose bleeding, nagani ko. Ganda ng lugar ni Kuya Alan. Canada. And the place where they live. It's really a relaxing and Okay. I'm almost done also for my. Thank you so much guys for your time. Gaw, mag-live ka gaw, mag-karaoke ka gaw. Lawrence, Miss Kali, you going to do a karaoke? Si Daddy Arwin, di na makatulog yan. Kay human naman din anak-anak. Di mo, anak-anak mo na. Hayaan ko na ng lips. I let the lips there. I will that tomorrow. Tomorrow. Because I don't have time. It's almost dark here. Thank you so much sa mga napunta. Okay. So my beers is clean. Isn't it? Gani Sir Alan nalingaw. Sorry, na English na ako. Ana jud na oy. Yes, Victoria is my long-time friend here in YT. Yeah, that's why she introduced you for us. Nagkaila-ila ta. Bisaya man di ba? Kuya Island, Bisaya pud ka di ba? Asa man ka sa Pilipinas? Nangutana na pud ko o masigmalit na pud ka, nag-break time rabia ka. There's a counting of minutes during your break time. I think in my work also when we have a break time, it's really strict. How many minutes your break? Only that. Only that. Surely you, were you not? Did you kit-kit? Did you kit-kit? I think, yeah, he's in kit-kit time because maybe it's late and hungry. Sir Leo, where na you? Where na me? Here na you. Kahapon namatay lang live ko gaw ba narong kong kuan. Sani? Narong ang pagpindot na ko. Ang bilis ng oras, oy. Mag 1 hour naman akong live dayon. Hala. Diba? Ang bilis lang. Parang kailan lang. Pag mamuha na to, sana tawag dito. Makapag shake. Even his heart, dugay na may friend sa YT, yeah. Dugay na jud. Dili lang usahay makakuan, diba? Dili lang usahay makapag sa busy ng buhay. Thank you sa unsa ni? Tulay? The Bridge. Victoria Lumardel, asa naman ka? Busy po na